Okay, today we're making chicken long rice with Shirataki noodles, which is this is the Orchid's brand, and as you can see, 2 servings only has 10 calories per serving, uh, 3.5 ounce or 100 grams per serving, and this is got 3 grams of carbs, but it also has 3 grams of dietary fiber. So no fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, no protein. So just basically 3 carbs and 3 carbs of dietary fiber. So it cancels out. Okay. Anyway, we'll be making chicken long rice, which is normally made with a noodle called bean curd or bean thread, and it's very high in carbs. So this is going to be a substitute. Okay. So what you do is you take this, you drain it in a strainer, and then you just rinse it out with a little cold water. Okay. And let's get started. Okay, normally with chicken long rice, you end up boiling the chicken for a long time, but since we're just making this dish for myself, I'm going to add in a little oil. You can use whatever oil, but I'm using sesame seed oil for that extra flavor. One thing about this, since this doesn't have any flavor, you want to kick up the flavors in your soup or your sauce to hide the fact that this doesn't have any flavor. This will absorb some of the flavors from your dish, from your sauce. Okay, so I'm going to get ahead, put a little sesame seed oil in there, you know, and I'm going to brown my chicken a little bit instead of just boiling it. I'm going to toss in a little bit of ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'm using minced ginger, and later on we're going to be using chicken broth. You can use box or canned chicken broth. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use the chicken soup from a ramen pack because it's just for me. I don't want to open a whole box of broth. Okay, if you're making a big pot, yeah, go ahead and do that. Okay, you can also season it with traditionally soyu. So I'm going a little heavy on this. Okay, hold on. I gotta